Ay, papalabasin ko kayo. Doy! Papalabasin ko kayo. Bawal ko to i-end, di ba? Lipat ako pwesto, guys, ha. So, ayun. Si Ate Sam, gagawa siya ng... Dito ko siya bibidyoan. Ayan. Ayan siya, guys. Ma'am, bakit sabi nila magiging 3 years na daw yung HMS?
5 minutes to 30.
Guys, ito na si ate, guys. Lalagay na ni ate, guys. Lantutay. Ayun na, guys, lalagay na ni ate, guys. Tinidor. Ayun. Guys, nilagay niya na, guys.
Red plate, butter, dessert spoon and fork, water goblet, red wine glass, water glass, undergarlic na coffee cup.
Galing naman mag-video na ito. Guys, nilagay niya na, guys. Ayun na yung nilagay. Ayun na, guys, nilagay niya na, guys.
Isamo, Yoro!
Wow, perfect yarn. Scatter yarn. Ayun na, guys. Namimili na si ate. Jor, alis ka dyan, Jor. No, yun yan. Yun na, matapos na. Upo na ako. Wow. Hala. Uy, mali-mali yung ginagawa niya eh. Buti pa si Wency, ang daming tama. Oh, may makita ka dito. Ang ganda ng blinds, oh. Tignan mo yung blinds sa video ko.
Perfect.
Hindi ko muna pinapik, pinalaman ko muna sa kanya.
For your main course, ma'am, I would like to recommend our best seller, baby garlic chicken. Would you like to try it?
Okay, sir.
For wine, ma'am, I would recommend white wine. It's the best complimentary to our main dish.
Okay.
Dessert.
May I know the contact number?
To repeat I will go with to repeat your order, ma'am. For appetizer, you order pork chopan. For soup, mushroom soup. And for the main course, baby garlic chicken. And the drink is white wine. And the dessert is
Table for one, number 125.
This order will take 20 minutes. Or wait.
Mr. King that and your contact number is 917 and your address is 139 Is that correct? Thank you.
Guys, ayun na si ate guys. Ayun yung pinakamagaling sa grupo namin guys. Bilis madulas. Naray na ako.
Okay, Wati, wala nga absent sa inyo ng Friday. Magpa-final demo ako ng fine dining roll may magmula table reservation. Ako ang magdi-demo. Mamimili ako ng guest ko.
Ako na lang, ma'am.
Hindi na naman kayo pumasok at hindi nyo na naman alam yung demo ko. Hindi na talaga. Pang-final na na. Ako ang...
We're bothering ako the first one.
Ma'am, ayan na. Can I take your order?
POV, papa ko kapag nag-video. Go na. Anak ko yan, anak ko yan. Yan natin siya kumain.
Are you done? Can I take your service?
Obo, English yan. Anak ko yan, anak ko yan. Ma'am, 20 minutes to ma'am, di ba ma'am? 20 minutes.
Excuse me, ma'am, please your main course. Baby garlic chicken.
Kalimutan din. Tama lang ba yan?
Established in 1883.
Nangalay na ako.
Kaya kayo.
Ilang minutes ako dito sa stage.
individual earlier.
Ang bilis pa lang, 10 minutes pa nga. Ang bilis na. Uwi ka na, Soy?
Kinikilig. Okay, sir.
Ngalingan.
Can I have all the...
Shit, nangangali na ako. Sa final is perfect ko na yan. Walang labis, walang
Mr. Nora.
Would you like to pay cash or card? I received exact amount. Thank you for dining with us. I hope to see you soon.
Abo, pataray. Ma'am, 11 minutes.